Well, welcome guys to the part 4 of view menu. Let us dive deep right away. I am going to the view menu. Next option is our align view. In this align view, I have found only two options that are useful. Rest of the other options are not that useful. Not that useful. They are useful, not that useful. So the next option is align active camera to view. What this actually means control alt numpad 0 from wherever I am seeing. Control alt numpad 0, the camera has been set to from where I am seeing this scene. I am seeing from this side, so the camera has been aligned to that view. If I come over here and control alt numpad 0, now the camera has been aligned from that side of the view. So that's how our align active camera to view shortcut works. And the next option I have found not that much useful, but it is there, center cursor to view all. If I click shift C, so it is centering everything whatever is there in this view to the center of the object. And the next option is, if I go from view region align view to center view to cursor, it is going to bring this 3D cursor, this red and white dotted circle at the center of the screen. So the next options, let us see view region, clipping region, and shortcut is alt B, clipping region. If I click this, click and drag it over here, what it actually has done is it has cut the entire region and has shown only the area which is between that area. This is mostly used to reduce the lag on the screen area. If you have a huge scene with lots of things, with lots of materials, this can be used to optimize the way you can see your viewport. Only a few part of the area is being shown, that's why your viewport will be snappy fast. So that's one way you can use it. And to exit out of that, we will go to view regions and clipping regions. Once again, will bring back all the scene, all the objects in our scene. Next option is our view regions render region. What this actually does is, the moment I click it, we get this cursor, and if I click and drag over here, you see there is a area pink dotted line. What it actually does is, if I try to render now, it's going to render only this part. Now what happens if I render the area, render image, it is going to render only this part of the area. Let me show you here. Go to image editor, and from here render result, it's going to render only that part of the area. So that's how it works, that too from 0. So for that, render region is very useful. And the next option over that is clear render region. If I clear this region, that pink dotted line has been cleared off. That's how things work here in the Blender. This is the end for part 4. Part 5 will be released soon. So until then, if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so that you don't miss any post that I leave on the YouTube. And if you want to wholeheartedly support me, you can go on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. With that being said and done, try to see it, understand it, and learn it. I will see you in the next video.